Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today I will show you which microphone is good for voice recording. For that purpose, I had purchased Rode wireless microphone from Amazon. I will unbox it in front of you, then I will show you how to use it and how to connect it with iPhone. See, I have received the packet like this from Amazon. Now I will open it and show you. See, one piece, second one and a third piece. This is manual. See, this is carry bag. You can put your microphones inside this while traveling. These are cables inside this box. See. See, these are filters. They help in controlling noise. See, this is transmitter. This is receiver. Now I will show you how to connect it with iPhone and how to use it. First of all, you should charge both transmitter and receiver. So for that, connect it with the cable which you receive in this box. Now connect this cable with the charger of iPhone. See, this is a charger from my iPhone. Connect this cable with it. Similarly, connect other one with the other cable. I have one more charger, so I am connecting another one with this charger. You can charge one by one if you have only one charger. Now I am switching on the switch. After some time, you will see green light in receiver and blue light on transmitter. You will notice that one blue light is blinking. It means it has not fully charged. After fully charged, it will stop blinking. After charging, remove the cables and the charger. For removing the background disturbance, use this filter. Attach this filter on the transmitter. See, like this. For connecting with iPhone, one more cable is required. I had ordered it from Rode. This is SC7 cable. You can't connect with this cable with iPhone. See, this has 3 threads in this and 2 threads in this one. And the wire you got from Rode in the box, it has 2 thread and here also 2 threads. One more thing is required to purchase. This I purchased it from Apple. See, this will be connected with iPhone. So these two things you have to purchase separately if you want to connect with iPhone. Now I am connecting it with iPhone. So for that, take this one and join the gray one with this. Then join the black one with the receiver as I have done in this. Then connect the white one with the mobile as I have shown. Then attach the filter on the transmitter. To start, press this button for a while. Finally, press the button of receiver for a while to start. Then put your transmitter on your shirt like this. Now it's time to use it. Whenever you speak, you will notice a moving line on the receiver. Now by pressing this button, you can remove the background disturbance. You can adjust the numbers. See the numbers. The numbers are from -30, -27, -24, -21, -18. Like this goes on till 0. Friends, it has one more feature, that your voice is recorded in transmitter also, and transmitter and receiver both remains charged for long time. Friends, if you are traveling and you are shooting outside, you can carry transmitter and receiver in this carry pouch. This is very handy and very good. Friends, the voice in this video is recorded through wireless Rode microphone. Now friends, I am speaking without using wireless microphone. See the disturbance coming from background. Friends, this is very good microphone. Many professionals use this microphone. The voice quality of this microphone is very good. So you can try this microphone. Friends, I will show you how to connect this microphone with laptop in next video. So please watch my other video also. Friends, if you like my video, please press the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, press the subscribe button. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is shown on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So please press the all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.